Taka, Kofake, ma vie de patake, mais staki putain. Odi Lilou Sake, Sultan des putains qui ça mérite tout l'outake. Si un Capernic pas américain, si un américain, entre marécain, si un Tupac Amarucan, la cernée c'est Zulu c'est quand.
Rede Kavaku, ciele de camera di mon canto dal salito.
Rien que d'attaque, Poussita PGP. Franck la red secrète, lenga en cadre. Aguilare secreto, secreto vakiluma kizar qui va a cresta lumar qui s'armant pisa. Caresti hierarchisado.
So many reasons and things that I cannot believe are in air. I'm losing my footing, I'm fucking up frequently. Feeling the focus is finally dead, I'm out of my head. Been trying to believe in myself, but seeking some help. Just seems like I'm yelling to emptiness when I can see there's a crowd. I'm sinking deep down, just thinking about the bullshit I've done, but knowing it's me that must be the one to figure this out. To picture a route, the pictures of breathing from feelings of doubt. And my seasonal rounds of the strength that I drown in the seas of a clown. I must think of my health. Ain't nobody gon' do for me what I know that has to be done. I gotta stand up when everything falls, when all is a bell. I gotta stay strong, it's all in the work, the work in uphill. The further the trail, the better I'm off. I gotta prevail, I gotta keep up, I gotta keep up, I gotta stand up. When everything falls, when all is uphill, I gotta stay strong, it's all in the work, the work in uphill. The further the trail, the better I'm off. I gotta prevail, I gotta keep